everybody, welcome all of you to our channel IAPT Learners Hub. Today I will discuss about software. What is a software? What are the different types of software? Previous class we have discussed about internal and external parts of a computer. Let us start with what is a software. What is software? Software is a set of instructions, data or programs used to operate computers and execute specific tasks. It is the opposite of hardware, which describes the physical characteristics of a computer. What is a software? Software is a set of programs. Now the question is, what is a program? Program is a set of instructions. In order to communicate with system, we require instructions. Those set of instructions we called as a program. Number of programs we called it as a software. Softwares are classified into two types: system software and application software. First one is system software, second one is application software. System software is a type of computer program that helps the user to run the computer hardware or software and manages the interaction between them. To interact with the computer, we require some interface. Such a type of interface is called as a system software. Software which makes interaction with user and computer is called the system software. Let us see why we need operating system. If the user wants to communicate with the computer, we require some mediator. Why we need mediator? Computer is an electronic machine. It understands only binary language that is made up in the forms of zeros and ones. Computer can understand only binary language. We are the human beings cannot understand binary language. Then how we can communicate, how we can interact with the computer? In order to maintain the interaction, we need one software that is called operating system. Every computer we have to install with the operating system, then only we can interact with the computer. User can interact with the computer. How? With the help of operating system. Device drivers also system software. If you want to connect any new hardware device to our computer, like printer, camera, Wi-Fi, we require one related software to install the computer. To work with the new printer to our computer, we have to install driver software related to printer. This means these are system softwares. Device driver is a special kind of software program that controls a specific hardware device attached to the computer. The device drivers are essential for a computer to work properly. That is, motherboard drivers, display drivers, printers drivers, BIOS, device driver. Okay? It is a special kind of software that controls the specific hardware device attached to a computer. Next system software is firmware. Firmware is a program code for your computer hardware. Hardware like cameras, mobile phones, network cards, optical drives, printers, scanners, and television remotes rely on firmware built into their memory to function smoothly. More specifically, it allows hardware devices to communicate with any software you have installed. The job of the firmware is to make the hardware accessible to the operating system. In a PC, the basic input-output system, BIOS, is an example of firmware, etc. Last system software is utility software. Utility software performs certain tasks, certain works like virus detection, installation, uninstallation, data backup, deletion of unwanted files, etc. Okay, some examples are antivirus software, that is utility software. File management tools, it is a utility software. Compression tools, disk management tools, etc. It is not an antivirus, McAfee antivirus, WinRAR, WinZip, Windows File Explorer. These are the examples of utility software. Second type of software is application software. First type we have already learned, that is system software. What is application software? Application software is the one that helps the pupil to perform particular activity on the computer. Coming to the application software, the name itself indicates. Suppose if you want to listen music or watch the video, then there will be some applications in order to perform these things. That is called application software. That is made for computer applications. Examples. Microsoft Office is a application software. It contains Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access. All these things are different applications. To type the documents, we need Word. To do some calculations or graphics work, we need Excel. To perform representations, we need PowerPoint. To store large amount of data, we need Access. Examples of application software. Word process database softwares. These are made for particular application. These are called application software. Microsoft Word for creating the documents. Okay, Word Perfect also to create the documents. Google Documents also create the documents. Database software, DBase, MariaDB, MySQL, lot of that. These are made for particular application. So these are called application software. Another example for application, multimedia software. This is also application for designing. Adobe Photoshop, Windows Movie Maker, Adobe Illustrator. These are the multimedia softwares. This is also made for particular applications. Then web browsers, Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, Microsoft Internet Explorer, Opera. This also applications software. Finally, software is a set of program. Each program is a set of instructions. These instructions will be given by the user. In order to maintain the communication, we'll go with the system software. Application software, name itself it indicates. These are made for particular applications. Hope you learned the different types of softwares. Application software and system software. Last class we have discussed about external and internal parts of the hardware. I think you got some idea about software and hardware. Okay, if you like these videos, subscribe the video, like and share, and press the bell button also. Okay, thank you for watching.